we're using DeepSeek Janus to create very interesting images with prompt. We're also going to use DeepSeek R1 for text-to-text interesting conversation. So we have two hints here, and let's start with the first one. So this is the one which I've used. This is a collab that has the part where we're generating the interesting images. So first thing is we'll have to install all the dependencies, as you can see. Directly use GitHub link for that, and then all of the imports that we require, that'll be done here. And then here I'm defining the model path. So in DeepSeek AI we have something called as Janus Pro 7B. So that is what we're using. And then after that, this is the part where I'm loading the processor and the model both. So here we have VL chat processor that we have taken, and then also the model is this is an auto model for casual LM. So we're taking both of these, the processor and the model. This is all the loading part, and use as you can see, this is the user prompt that I have, where role is user and the content is nothing but based on this, or the image that is there will be generated. And then after that, the content will be displayed from the assistant. So as you can see, this is where I'm applying the formatting for multi-turn prompts. And then this inference model is the image generation function that I have. So here we have everything that is required for the image generation. So if we want to define size, height, anything, all of that will be done here. This is for decoding the image. And then this is a normalization, and then after that I'm just saving all of the images in my file structure over here. And then this is a main function which will call which will generate the image. So this is for the displaying of the images. As you can see, this is the image that was generated, and you can see the prompt that I've given was a futuristic AI robot in cyberpunk city. So yeah, you can see the neon lights in the background, and this is a futuristic robot. As you can see, we have multiple images that were there. And then I took another example where I've given a phoenix reborn from cosmic fire, its wings spreading across a nebula, nothing but like a fireball. So the same thing, applying formatting, defining the user input, applying the formatting, and then I have the image generation function. Then I'm just saving the image. So this is the displaying. As you can see, this is the phoenix that is spreading its wings, and it is the backdrop is a nebula. So this is about the image prompt, where we're doing both generating text based on the image and also displaying generating images. And then going to the second part, which is nothing but use DeepSeek R1 for text-to-text interesting conversation. So basically we'll have to create conversations between the user, and the reply should be coming from OpenAI. So this is that, and then the first part is we'll be installing the OpenAI 0.28, and then after that restart the session, and then import OpenAI time and also the Python display. And then here I had my API key which I replaced since I was recording, so that is that. And then OpenAI base, and this is where the DeepSeek R1 model is called to continue conversation, and we have a parameter which is nothing but message history, which is a list, and it has list of message directories which with role and content. Like in the previous one which I have here, you can see that the role and content are the two parameters. So and then it will return the string, which is nothing but the assistant's reply. Then so this is the part where we're doing it. This is a main method which we have inside a try catch block. So we have the model instantiated as DeepSeek R1 Llama 70B. And we're just defining a few parameters, and then we're returning the response. So this is the main function which will be called, the program is run based on this function. So it is the one which initiates a interactive conversation loop between the user and the model. And we have two prompts, quit or clear. To quit is to exit, and clear is to reset the conversation. nothing but restart or log out kind of. Then conversation history, which is we're going to store everything, all the messages here. And then this is the input, and after that, if it is, we have conditions for checking if it is quit or clear. If it is quit, then we're just exiting and breaking out of it. If it's clear, then we're just resetting the list that we have over here, and then role. So this is for adding the user's message to the conversation history, and here this is the response that we get from DeepSeek, and also we're appending that to the conversation history. And then this is the main comment, sorry, main function that we have. As you can see, I have this conversation. So the first thing I sent was hi, and then DeepSeek replied with hi, how can I assist you today? And then I just gave up another prompt saying how to excel in the data science field. Whereas, so first it thought about why I asked that question. So like this user is asking me how to excel in this field, so they might be someone new to this area and all of that. So whatever thought process it goes through, like why it gave us that response, all of that will be there. And then after that, this is the main answer, I would think, say, because all this is the thinking process that the DeepSeek model goes through, and this is where our actual answer lies. So to excel in this field, you have like 12 points that it gave me. So, and then I just had to like stop the conversation since it was like, it's a multi-prompt one. So this is about both the image and the text between the conversation and the model. Thank you.